equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the charging port on your HP 13 laptop. This task requires some technical skills, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to the internal components. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep your parts organized. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover. This typically involves unscrewing several Phillips screws located around the edges of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back cover is off, you will see the internal components of your laptop. It's essential to take a moment to clean the interior with compressed air to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help ensure that your laptop runs smoothly after the repair. Now, locate the charging port. It is usually situated near the battery and connected to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect any cables that may be obstructing access to the charging port. Use the plastic spudger to gently pry the port away from its housing. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the issue and provide you with a clear understanding of what needs to be done. Once the old charging port is removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new charging port with the connectors on the motherboard and gently press it into place. Ensure it is securely fitted before reconnecting any cables that were previously disconnected. After the new port is in place, it's crucial to test it before reassembling the laptop. Connect your charger and check if the laptop begins to charge. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to reattach the back cover. Remember to replace all screws securely to avoid any loose parts. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can have your laptop repaired without the hassle of traveling or making phone calls. Just let us know, and we'll take care of the rest. Finally, once the back cover is secured, power on your laptop and ensure that the charging port is working as expected. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the charging port on your HP 13 laptop. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. And remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.